Oh my god, that train literally smells like ass. Luckily, I'm only taking it for 2 stops. Good morning from Singapore. So what's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So yeah, getting a little bit moody, maybe because of the weather today. It's been raining crazy here in Singapore. But anyway, I'm going to IKEA for some breakfast and to do a little shopping. So yeah, let's go. Oh, so I just realized today's Sunday and there's gonna be a ton of people. Oh. And I got no umbrella with me. Alright, time to keep the camera. Oh my god, I think the queue is just too long. I'm not even sure if I can get a seat at this rate. Oh. So, you know, in Singapore, I feel like IKEA is more famous for their food, their restaurant, rather than the IKEA product itself. Because, wow, maybe this is just a Sunday morning thing, but the amount of people in this restaurant, they are just queuing up, they are eating and they are waiting for seats is just crazy, man. I've been standing here for like 30 minutes and I'm like halfway down the line. Crazy. Alright, we're almost there. A must. Oh my god. Finally, after 45 minutes, ta-da! Hello. So I've got myself some meatballs and some plant ball that I'm trying out with some truffle mushroom sauce. Let's try out the plant ball first because I've never really tried it before. Let's see. It's very soft, not really chewy at all. You can just, like, you know, press it down with your gum. It almost tastes like a fried vegetables. I need to add some sugar to my coffee before it gets cold. Because I was walking around for like at least a good 5 minutes. Okay, let's try the meatball. I mean, when it comes to like IKEA food, I think they have like a ton of menu that I have not seen for quite a while. But I think for the most part, their meatball is the go-to. Their meatball is a must, and most of the other items, they're just like, you know, man, it's alright. Their chicken wing is, for me, personally, for me, is terrible. I don't know why people are still eating it. Maybe because it's like quite cheap. I don't know. But yeah, meatballs. These are good. I'm not too sure about the plant balls, but the meatballs are good. They give jam with the meatball. I think it's like a tradition, but I'm not really a huge fan of that. The truffle mushroom sauce is also good. Wow. And some boiled broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower as well. All good, man. All good. I think I should stop vlogging and eat a little faster because a lot of people are waiting and I don't want them to be like me, you know, walking around for like a few minutes. Actually, there's quite a lot, too many people, man. I think I picked the wrong day to come to IKEA. But anyway, the food is good. I need to do some shopping later on, so yeah, have to come. So yeah, I'll see you guys back with the dessert. I'm just rushing for my food. So earlier I said chicken wings might be cheap, that's why people are here, but that's not really the case. It's not that cheap. Yeah, it doesn't taste that good, but I don't know why people are still here. And yeah, even for their meatballs, I think I paid $9.50 for this plate, which is quite worth it, but it's not on the cheap side. You can get a lot cheaper, you know, outside, you know, in food courts and hawker center here in Singapore. So for me personally, I think their coffee is quite decent as well. So yeah, definitely have that coffee. It's not bad. It's not refillable. I think they don't say that, you know, you can keep refilling, but I see a lot of people, you know, keep going back to the coffee counter and keep taking refills. But I think that's okay. With the amount of people eating here, with this price, I think they'll be, you know, they are happy to give us refill, free flow coffee. I think I might have one more. Good stuff. So the next thing I want you guys to try is this cake right here. Almond and chocolate cake. And yeah, I always eat this, you know. I've had this since this was like around $1 plus, and now it's $4. $4, typically you can get like a full meal outside, but oh my god. And those like chocolate, crunchy chocolate inside. This is to die for, and please try it out if you guys ever come to, I mean, Singapore or IKEA. Singapore IKEA, I mean. I wish I have this in Myanmar. I'll eat this every day, man. This is one of the dessert that they have created, that one of the best dessert that they have created, and this has been on the menu for like the longest time. You can see like a lot of cakes come in and go, like they have a lot of, you know, design, flavors and all that stuff, but this cake is here to stay. And yeah, just try it, you'll know the reason why. So I think I would typically go for another coffee, but right now there's just too many people and I want to give out my seat to them. So yeah. Whew. Honestly, I always got lost. Whenever I come to IKEA, there's just too many aisles, you know, too many directions. And a lot of things to see, you know. You're going this direction and then you see something cool and you walk to that area and then you're lost again. And also, they make you walk to like each and every category so that, you know, by the time you walk out of it, you buy something. Yeah, I came here for one thing and I've got like a few things already. Alright guys, so it was quite a fun morning here at IKEA Singapore. You know, kids crying, parents fighting over seats, and a lot of people just queuing up for food. And yeah, it was quite a scene out there. Maybe I just picked the wrong day, to be honest. Like the meatball were great, but I just have to, you know, chuck it down because I feel bad for a lot of people just waiting to be seated and have their breakfast, brunch, lunch. So yeah, quite a good experience. I see a lot of people shopping here as well, so that was quite nice. Yeah, a good shopping experience. I think, yeah, I really love this place somehow. So yeah, I'll be coming here hopefully a lot more often to, you know, get my room's stuff. And yeah, anyway, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.